Greetings from Ayia Napa and Vathia Gonia Beach. The sunset has already happened. It is 6 p.m. and after traveling for, I think the flight was 4.5 hours, and then also hanging at Larnaca as well at Findikudas. Now have settled at Sunwing Sandy Bay Nisi Beach. Actually, it's called Sunwing Nisi Bay Sandy Beach, but it's closer to Vathia Gonia Beach. And I wanted to take one more dip before heading to sleep. As you can see, today is 23rd of March 2026, and it's obviously out of season. People are walking with winter clothes, but I am going in for a dip. And it was actually raining because first I took a bus from the airport to Larnaca, because there's no direct bus from the airport to Ayia Napa. That is public transport. There is always transfer. And then I was hanging out in Larnaca a bit, and then I took another bus that took around 1.5 hours from Larnaca to Ayia Napa, and the cost was only €2. And then the bus from the airport to Larnaca was €240, so quite convenient for public transport. As it is my 4th time in Cyprus this year around. I mean, this not this year around. The last time I was here was for New Year's between 2023 and 2024. And you can see the day is coming to an end. And I already took a dip in Larnaca, so I will continue my beach adventures here, even now at Vathia Gonia, despite not being the best weather right now. I see lots of sky clouds in the sky that are quite heavy for rain, but we're gonna manage to go in for a swim anyway. And the room is quite nice because it's a 4.5-star hotel, and it's very Scandinavian based indeed. And I actually got a room on the bottom floor, but it's actually only very low building, so it's only 0 and 1 as floors that you can get. And I'm not sure why I did not get on the first floor, as it is low season and I'm sure they had available, but the lady in the reception was not so pleasant, I would say. But yeah, I took no for an answer, because yeah, I actually requested for a room on the higher floor, but yeah, it's still good. It's a very nice room, and it has a big terrace also. So yeah, Chris is going for a swim, and I want to start a activity also, because I will be swimming for a bit after this vlog. But yeah, the second beach adventure for today, 23rd of March. And yes, I'm going to be here 7 nights, 8 days in Cyprus, mostly in Ayia Napa where I'm staying. And I'm so happy that I'm staying very close to Nisi Beach, because that's the best beach on the island. Also, in Protaras there is one nice beach called Fig Tree Bay, but Nisi Beach is also quite good. All right, ready, set, and go! It's so beautiful. Around 17 degrees in the sea and 15 degrees in the air, so quite convenient and nice. Whew, a lot warmer than Sweden, that is, in the water, but also in the air. So yeah, that is a wrap from Vathia Gonia. And I hope you have also seen the pool in the beginning of this video as I was walking from my room to the beach, Vathia Gonia. So thanks a lot then for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach adventure from the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!